The point that I think Nelson Nash would bring out is that you're going to want to use that product of whole life insurance in a strategy for cash flow management, which means you're storing up capital and you're using that capital to then not just hold the capital for your entire life and wait for retirement in the future. Nelson used his policy. He drove his policy. He got in the driver's seat and he used that cash value by taking loans to finance things that created income. Instead of diverting the capital and cash to another entity and organization, he was financing through his own policy, meaning he ran that forestry business, buying land, he was buying equipment in his forestry business. He had commercial properties, he had all kinds of lending that he was doing. Why? Well, he wasn't just setting his whole life insurance policy on the shelf waiting for retirement in the future. He was using it to continue to capitalize and to fund cash ventures in his life. So that's an and product. That's the using portion of infinite banking.
Yeah, I would just like to say Nelson was totally against the stock market, but he was also the most disciplined person that I've ever known. So he set aside X amount of his income, the savings all the time in whole life insurance. And you're exactly right, Rachel. Then he leveraged through loans to buy other cash flowing investments. But as we started this, nothing happens without capital. That's what Nelson said all the time. He who has the gold makes the rules.